In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up hotkeys in Thinkorswim. Hotkeys can speed up your workflow by putting frequent actions at your fingertips. Whether you're placing a quick market order or navigating a chart, setting up shortcuts can make a noticeable difference in how efficiently you use the platform. Start on Thinkorswim desktop and look to the top right corner of the platform for the Setup button, the small gear icon. Click that, then select Application Settings. In the window that opens, head to the Hotkeys tab. This tab organizes shortcuts by category, so you can quickly find trading actions like Buy at Market, Sell at Market, Cancel, and also chart controls and platform navigation. Scroll through the list to find the specific command you want to customize. Click on that command to highlight it. On the right side of the window, you'll see options for assigning a shortcut. Choose Custom to tell Thinkorswim you want to set your own key combination. Now press the keys you'd like to use, for example, pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus B. You'll see your selection display right there. If the key combination you pressed is already taken by another command, Thinkorswim will alert you. At that point, you can decide to reassign it to this new command, which will remove it from the old one, or you can cancel and choose a different combination to avoid conflicts. It's a good idea to pick combinations that are easy to remember, but unlikely to overlap with your operating system's global shortcuts. Using modifiers like Ctrl, Shift, or Alt can help keep things consistent and distinct across categories. If you ever want to remove a shortcut from a command you no longer use, set its shortcut to None. That clears it without affecting anything else. And if a whole group of hotkeys isn't necessary for your workflow, you can disable an entire category by unchecking the box next to that category's name. This is a useful way to reduce accidental key presses, especially while you're getting used to new mappings. Take a moment to review your selections. When you're satisfied, click Apply Settings to save your changes. That ensures your new hotkeys are active the next time you use those commands. As you get comfortable, consider keeping a consistent pattern, like using Shift with Buy actions and Alt with Sell actions to make them intuitive. And remember, small adjustments now can pay off later in speed and accuracy. That's it! Your customized Thinkorswim hotkeys are ready to go.